Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Dental care tips for kids. Dental care is important, especially for kids, because teeth are in danger of getting cavities when they are out of the gums. The mouth serves as an entry point for many bacteria, hence cleaning your mouth, brushing, flossing and rinsing is necessary. Oral hygiene instructions for children. 1. Make sure your kids brush their teeth twice a day. Each brushing session should last for approximately 2 minutes. 2. Pick a toothbrush with soft bristles, as tough bristles can induce bleeding. Replace their toothbrush every 3 months. 3. Use a rice-sized smear of toothpaste for children under the age of 2. For children over 2, use pea-sized serving. 4. Oral hygiene for kids is incomplete without flossing. You can start helping your kid floss the moment the second tooth comes out. Child dental care planning. The first visit to the dentist should be at the age when the first tooth erupts. Fix an appointment with your dentist once every 6 months. Incorporate milk, green leafy vegetables, and white beans into your child's diet, as these foods are rich in calcium and strengthen the teeth. Reasons to schedule dental appointments regularly. 1. Kids are vulnerable to tooth decay. By visiting the dentist at the earliest, you will know the primary signs of tooth decay. 2. Some kids have a poor alignment of teeth when they start growing. Early detection can maximize the chances of a successful alignment. 3. Your child may have fluoride deficiency. Regular visits can spot the problem, and your kid can be given a topical fluoride solution. Is it compulsory for children to brush their teeth before bedtime? It is not mandatory but essential to brush your teeth before going to bed. If children don't brush their teeth before bedtime, the food particles remaining between the teeth can cause cavities due to the acids produced from the food. What to do if your child is facing a dental problem? 1. Build your child's confidence by constantly encouraging them and telling them that everything will be okay. 2. Use funny stories or an amusing feature about the clinic to distract your kid. 3. When all else fails, use distractions like games, cartoons, songs, reading, dancing, or any activity they like. When to visit an orthodontist. If the alignment of your child's teeth is uneven or they have a distorted bite, you should visit an orthodontist. Dental care for children acts as a defense against problems like cavities and keeps their pearly whites intact.